Construction of triangle with two sides and the included angle given. Construction of a triangle with two sides and the included angle given by SAS Triangle Construction. The worksheet 2 of this chapter, Construction of Triangle. The question of 1 is, construct a triangle AOB given that OA equal to 5 cm, OB equal to 4.5 cm and angle AOB equal to 50 degree. Question number 1. Now the rough figure of this question. Okay. AOB. AOB is, this is a triangle AOB. AOB. OA equal to 5 cm given, OB 4.5 cm and angle B equal to 50 degree. Now the steps of construction. First step, draw OA 4.5 cm. First step is draw OB equal to 4.5 cm. Now make an angle 50 degree with the protractor. Suppose 50 degree here. Make an angle of 50 degree and long. This angle equal to 50 degree. Cut an arc of radius 5 cm from O. Cut an arc of 5 cm from O. This is a measurement of 5 cm. Radius 5. This point is A. And now join AB. So AOB is a required triangle. Okay. Now the construction is, draw a line segment OB 4.5 cm. 4.5 OB. Now an angle 50 degree with center O. 50 degree. Put the protractor. From this side 0. This is the 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The angle here is 50 degree. Now make a ray. Make a ray. Suppose OX is a ray. Okay. Now cut an arc of 5 cm radius with center O. This center is O. 5 cm. Measure the length of 5 cm. This is the length of 5 cm. Cut an arc of radius. The arc intersect OX at the point A. This point is A. Now join AB. Now join AB. This is a required triangle OAB right here 50 degree. This is a construction of the question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, construct a triangle ABC in which angle A is 120 degree and AB equal to AC 3 cm. Draw the bisector of angle A. Okay, this is the question. First we have to plot the rough figure. Here is the angle A. This is the angle A. And given that AB and AC. Angle A is given 120 degree. AB and AC 3 cm. These are the 3 cm. And draw the bisector of angle A. How to bisect an angle? From these 2 points, cut an equal arc and this is the bisector of angle A. Okay. Now the construction. First we have to draw the line AC 3 cm. AC is 3 cm. AC 3 cm. Okay. Now make an angle 120 degree at A 120 degree. How to make angle 120 degree? Make a arc with A. and cut here. At one time this angle is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. If here extend, this angle is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. Now produce the angle. Same here, this is also a ray AX. Now cut the radius of 3 centimeter. Okay, take 3 centimeter radius, cut an arc 3 centimeter. Just measure 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3. This point is B. This is 3 centimeter. And join BC. Triangle ABC is an required triangle. Now bisects angle A. Bisector of angle A, cut equal arc from these 2 points. This one and this one. From this point, this, and from this point, from where this, and produced. This is the bisector of angle A. This angle is 120 degree and suppose AY is a bisector of angle A. This is the construction of question number 2. Question number 3. Construct a triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter. Angle B is 90 degree means right triangle. This is a right triangle. A, B, C. 90 degree. AB 4 centimeter. BC 3 centimeter. Clear? Now construct first BC 3 centimeter. BC 3 centimeter. At B make an angle as 90 degree. 90 degree. How to make 90 degree? First we make a arc from B. Now cut 60 degree and 120 degree. Now bisects 60 and 120. And point of intersection, meet the point B. This is the angle 90 degree. Okay. Now cut an arc of 4 centimeter radius. 4 centimeter radius. Measure 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 centimeter. This point is A. Join AC. Triangle ABC is an required triangle. The first step, draw a line segment BC of 3 centimeter. First step is this. Second step, make angle at B. Make 90 degree angle at B. Second step. Third, BX ray at B and produce ray BX. Fourth step, third step is this. Cut an arc of 4 centimeter. Cut an arc of 4 centimeter radius. And fourth, the point is A. Point A. And last, join AC. These are the simple steps. Sixth last question is triangle ABC is an required triangle. Next, question number 4. The question number 4 is Draw a triangle PQR in which QR equal to 4 centimeter, PQ 3 centimeter and angle Q equal to 45 degree. So we have, this is the rough figure, P, Q and R. Here is the angle 45 degree. Q is 45, QR 4 centimeter and PQ 3 centimeter. Simple construction. First we have to draw the QR 4 centimeter. QR 4 centimeter. Make an angle of 45 degree. So just bisect the 90 degree angle, you will get 45. First we have to make the angle 90 degree. This arc, cut 60, 120 arc, meet at this is the angle of 90 degree. Just bisect 90 degree. How to bisect? At this point, cut an arc, the equal arc from this point. Clear? This angle is 45 degree. Just half of the 90 degree. Take a radius of 3 centimeter. Radius 3 centimeter and cut an arc from Q. This line is 3 centimeter. This point is P. Join PR. This is a required triangle PQ and R. Last and fifth question. The question number 5. Construct a triangle PQR in which PR equal to 5.6 centimeter, QR 3 centimeter and angle R equal to 50 degree. The rough figure, angle R. First the angle R is 50 degree. Now take point P and Q here. P 5.6 centimeter, PR and QR 3 centimeter. Now construct. Now the construction of this question. RQ 50 degree. RQR 3 centimeter. First we have to draw the 3 centimeter. This point is R and this point is Q. Make an angle of 50 degree. 50 degree is this. Angle R equal to 50 degree. 50 degree angle can be made with the help of protractor. Okay. Now the PR is 5.6 centimeter. PR is 5.6. Take 5.6 centimeter from here. This is the length of 5.6 centimeter. Cut an arc from R to P 5.6 centimeter. This point is P. Now join PQ. Now join PQ. This is a triangle PQR. Okay. Exercise is finished now. And the next exercise.